Welcome to my channel Khola Janala. Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you all are well. Friends, once upon a time there were not so many doctors, so many medicines and so many diseases because there is only one reason, and that is we all, the people of world, were dependent on trees, vegetables, flowers, and that's why we had no problem. But now, as we move towards progress and advance into technology, we are living and suffering in the midst of various diseases, ailments, and from the worst to the worst. So, friends, I think we should love and depend on that natural resource again, because natural resources are those that are created naturally, which do not have any chemicals, will not have any side effects, which grow and grow in the middle of nature in the most ordinary way. Dude, every one of these videos is about natural resources, such as the benefits of natural resources, nutrition, use, hygiene, side effects. I have come today to inform you about such a thing, and that is to drink milk with ghee. So guys, do you know what happens when you mix a spoonful of ghee in a glass of milk? You will be shocked to know milk is known as a balanced diet. Children and the elderly, anyone can get a lot of nutrition from milk. However, many people have problems with milk, allergies. Yes, their words are different, but overall milk is a very nutritious drink. But what happens when milk is mixed with ghee? Now, due to Corona, the number of people going out has decreased. As a result, the time for exercise has decreased. Due to this, fatigue is increasing. The feeling in the mind is decreasing. Moreover, many are having trouble sleeping. You can solve this problem with milk. In Indian Ayurveda, it is said to drink ghee mixed with milk as a remedy for this problem. Mixing a teaspoon of ghee in a glass of milk can cut a lot of fatigue. What are the benefits of mixing ghee with milk? First, cuts the feeling of fatigue. The body gets the necessary energy very quickly. Drinking this mixture with breakfast in the morning provides a lot of energy needed throughout the day. It is also very useful for those who exercise regularly. This is because excessive exercise often leads to more hunger. This increases the risk of body fat deposits. You must have to be more discriminating with the help you render toward other people. But if you mix ghee with milk once a day, this problem does not occur. Exercise a lot, but don't get too hungry. The stomach is full. Having trouble sleeping at night? It can also reduce that problem. Deep sleep is played by mixing ghee with milk. It also helps to increase immunity. It is enough to mix 1 teaspoon of ghee with 1 glass of milk regularly. So friends, please comment on the video. I make a lot of contents about the health benefits of such natural resources. If you like this, you must like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching the full video. See you in the next video. Be good, be careful, and be healthy. Thank you.